I thought I'd make a little video about this acoustic guitar that I use on all my songs. It's a Martin O-28 kit that I made, and it's got ebony fingerboard, ebony bridge, Engelmann spruce top, and Indian rosewood back and sides. I've been real happy with it. I really like the way it sounds. I scalloped the braces, and you can hear how it sounds on my songs. Here's what this guitar sounds like. Here's with a pick. Anyway, I really like this guitar. I really like the way it sounds. It's really versatile for an acoustic. One thing I didn't mention, it's got Grover tuners. I'm really not fond of them very much. That's what came with the Martin parts, the rest of them. And they're okay, but not my favorites. Got a mahogany neck. I don't think I mentioned that. All right.